Annual Raw Materials Requirement Application by manufacturing companies. If you are a manufacturing company, before applying for an import license, you need to first apply for the Annual Raw Materials Requirement from the Department of Industry DOI. To do that, please visit www.btfn.bt. Next, click on the Login menu and log in using your user ID and password. To proceed, follow these steps. Click on Agency Application Submission and select Annual Raw Materials Estimate Manufacturing. Fill in the details as required under Header section. Enter your license number. Specify OGA name as Department of Industry for Manufacture, DOI. Choose License as the document type. Select Annual Raw Materials Estimate for the document. Click the Save button to save your input. You do not have to update or enter any details under Party section. This section is only for viewing. Next, go to the Item section and click on the plus button to add item. Then, fill in all the required details and save your item details. Finally, under the Summary section, take a moment to review the terms and conditions. Once you've read them, tick the checkbox to indicate your agreement. Next, click the Validate button to ensure the completion of the application process. After successful validation, proceed to click the Submit button to submit your application. Once the Department of Industry DOI approves your application for Annual Raw Materials Requirement, which is a master document, the manufacturing company should proceed by first creating a UCR number. After creating the UCR number, they can then apply for an import license. A separate tutorial video will explain both the process of creating a UCR number and the process of applying for the import license. The applicant can import raw materials in multiple consignments depending on its requirements, but cannot import more than what has been approved in the master document submitted to the DOI. In case you need additional raw materials within the same year, kindly follow these steps. Navigate to Agency Application Submission and select Annual Raw Materials Supplementary and select your previously approved Annual Raw Material Requirement application from DOI. You can view your earlier submission by clicking on it. Choose Others from the drop-down and provide a reason for needing additional raw materials. Then, click Submit. After receiving approval from DOI, the manufacturing company will find a draft application under the Search Document section. Click on it to make necessary changes in accordance with the approved supplementary applications. If you wish to view records of supplementary applications, simply click on Search Supplementary. Before proceeding with the import license application, the manufacturing company must ensure that all the application processes explained have been completed and approved by DOI.